A Mistplay password reset does not change the login method you originally used to create the account, so resetting a password can still leave you locked out if you're choosing the wrong sign-in option. A Mistplay supportum 1-to-1. By the end, you'll know which login method to use, what to do if the reset email does not work, and when the problem requires Mistplay support. First, check how the account was created. Mistplay currently supports different login methods, including Google, Facebook, Line, and email-based login. If your original account was created through Google, for example, changing the email shown in your Mistplay profile does not switch the account to a different login method. In Mistplay, support on .1. So, open Mistplay and tap Log In. Select the same login method you used when you originally created the account. Do not create another account just because the first login attempt fails. If your account uses an email and password, use Misplay's password recovery option. Enter the email connected to your account. Open the password reset email, create a new password, and then return to the Mistplay login screen. A Mistplay support on 1. There is another problem worth checking: accidentally creating a second Mistplay account. Mistplay says this can happen when someone originally signs up with one platform and later signs in with another. Your progress can then appear to have disappeared because you're looking at a different account. In Mistplay, support on .2. If the reset worked but Mistplay says the account is blocked or placed on hold, that is a different issue. Mistplay says accounts can be placed on hold by its fraud prevention system when potentially fraudulent activity is detected. If you believe the block is a mistake, Mistplay recommends contacting customer support. In Mistplay support on 3. Also check the exact error message. Misplay's current error code guide lists account-related problems separately, including blocked accounts, invalid sessions, deactivated accounts, and login issues. Some errors have specific troubleshooting steps instead of requiring another password reset. Mistplay support on 4EA. So the practical fix is simple. Use the original login method. Reset the password only if that account actually uses email credentials, and avoid creating a second account while troubleshooting. If you still cannot access the original account, contact Mistplay support and include the exact error message or code shown on your screen. Mistplay provides a support request form for these cases. In Mistplay support on 5. The two biggest things to remember are that a password reset does not change your original login method, and a second login method can accidentally take you into a different account. Try the original sign-in method first, then contact support if the account remains locked. If this fixed your Mistplay login problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Mistplay fixes.